Okay guys, let's master this beat. So we are going, already we did start with sound standard clip. So the next thing is I'm going to add is like what do we call it, sound goodizer. Nice, reduce it. I think I'm going to use center. It's taking forever. This one is from Waves. So this one you can make lows a little bit, make lows go to the center like mono, be in mono, highs to the sides like stereo, then punch, you give punch to the bass, like to the center which is bass. Then yeah, if you hear that the center is too loud, you can adjust, or you can adjust the volume of the center and the sides. Yeah, then I'm going to add a compressor like to this from FL to glue things up. Like I'm going to this preset here, then I'm going to add U-Lean to monitor my loudness. Nice, detached. Nice, bring it down here. Okay, now let's check at let's look the LUFS of this track. Okay, I'm going to add a limiter to adjust it to the loudness I want this limiter from Waves L. Let's go with L3. I like L3. We just set ceiling to -0.1. Nice. Then we adjust the threshold. That's it. We used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one is just to reduce the peaks. Then this one is to add that depth. Then this one is like toward image, to make it wide or narrow the way you want. Then we have L3 limiter to tighten up the track. Oh, I'm forgetting this one, to glue the track. Then this one is just to measure the LUFS of your track. So let me export this and we listen to it offline, because here the CPU won't allow. The CPU won't allow this. Okay, let me export the mastered version. Let me save. Remember to save your project regularly or consistently. It's done exporting, so we can listen to it from this side. Yeah, this is it.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Okay, that's the beat, and let's listen to it before mastering.
It's your boy, Wiser.
Okay, after mastering,
It's your boy, Wiser.
okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Let's meet in the next video.